Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this is a lightning cable and gathering tools, multimeter, wire strippers, soldering iron or crimp kit, heat shrink tubing, and tape. Once done, inspect the jacket and mark a clean cut about 1/2 inch above any fray so you remove the damaged section. Use the multimeter to quickly check for open conductors before cutting. This tells you which end to prioritize. Make a straight cut, then carefully strip about 3–4 mm of outer insulation to expose the inner wires. You now separate and identify the 4 conductors, ground, V+, and the 2 data lines, noting any color or foil markings so you match them correctly. Once identified, slide heat shrink tubing onto the cable before you join anything. Strip only a few millimeters of each conductor, tin them lightly, and either solder or use a properly sized crimp connector. Use short, controlled heat bursts so you don't damage nearby insulation. After each joint, check continuity with the multimeter to confirm correct connections. You finish by sliding each heat shrink over the repaired joints and applying even heat until it shrinks snugly, creating insulation and mechanical support. Make a strain relief layer, either a wider heat shrink sleeve or folded tape, to prevent future stress at the join. Once cooled, plug the cable into a charger and a device to test both charging and data sync. If things go wrong, recheck for continuity and inspect for cold or bridged solder joints. A single miswire or weak solder is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.